What is going on, guys? I have a SoundLink micro from Bose right here. This one right here, I just got it in because it was on sale and for Black Friday. So anyway, I've been hearing a lot about this. Now I do have the bigger brother of this, which is like the Flex, but this is the smallest Bose that I have. So anyway, today we're gonna take a look at this thing. Let's go ahead and unbox it, and then I'm gonna do a little sound test for you guys. What do you say? Let's do it. Ooh. Interesting design. We'll talk about that in a little bit. Let's see what else is in the box here. Instruction booklets. USB-C. Yes? No. Micro USB. Oh wow. Might be a deal breaker for some of y'all, but micro USB, guys. That's it. That is all that's in the box. Alright, so let's take a look here. It's got a funky little flap here that kind of like a little button. No, it's not a button. It just latches on to the bottom right here. It's kind of interesting. It's very flexible, obviously. So I can probably, I don't know. It's flexible enough. Wow, this is pretty big though. I don't know. Maybe it can strap to like your backpack or something. This right here, yeah. It's kind of interesting. Let's take a look at some of the feature that's on here. Up on top, you got yourself the micro USB. I would prefer it to be USB-C, but that's okay. Power and also the Bluetooth button over here. Looks like the battery indicator is up on top here, which is right next to the plug for the power. So that's okay. The play button is probably right in the middle right there. It just doesn't look like it. And then the volume button. So this whole thing is made of this nice soft plastic. Oh, not plastic, but rubber. Yeah, the whole thing. It looks like there's a case around this. I feel like they've just wrapped this whole thing with a case. Let me plug this baby in, and then let's see if we can do a little sound test. Let's do it. Okay, so let's see here. The Bose Micro SoundLink. Here we go. So my mic is right up on the top here. Let's go ahead and play a little music. What is a good music that's non-copyrighted? You know what I'm saying? All right, let's try this one. Actually, let me see what the volume level is like. Okay, I'm gonna do about 90%. Okay, that's already pretty loud. I don't know if you noticed that or not, but I did. Sitting right here. Definitely a Bose product, I would say. Yeah, that is pretty loud. I'm going to continue playing the song, all right, because the bass is fixing to come up, and I want to actually feel the little bass module back here. Let's try another song here. Boy. Oh yeah, this 90%. Okay, I mean, it's loud, all right, so the treble is really loud. The bass, I would say, lagged behind JBL's Bluetooth speaker, if you know what I'm talking about. JBL has a bunch of these small form factor Bluetooth speakers, and I think the bass on those are better than this one right here. But this is louder than like the Clip 4, the Clip 5, the Go from JBL. This is definitely louder. Maybe because I'm sitting it in this direction here. I don't know. Anyway, but that's how I feel about it, guys. The bass, if you don't like bass on JBL, this is probably a good product for you. It's pretty comparable to the JBL product. So I would say, yeah, this is a good one. I just didn't like this whole thing right here. I think they could have done something better. Yeah, this probably can latch onto your backpack, but would I trust this thing right here though? I don't know if I would. So that's my only disappointment right there. Oh, well, actually, micro USB. I think they need to update this to like a USB-C. So that's what I would say right there, guys. Bose micro. It's a pretty good one if it's on sale. Have a good one. Bye-bye.